Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be making the Glasspack louder on the 2012 Mazda 3. So right now on the Mazda, I've got a 26-inch Thrush Glasspack, and it's just a little too quiet for me. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it louder free. So step one is to get your exhaust super hot. So take it down the highway for like 5, 10, 20 minutes and drive it pretty hard and get it really hot, as hot as you can. Then immediately pull in. I've still got mine running because I don't want the exhaust to cool down. So then what we're gonna do, we're gonna go in here, we're gonna shut the car off, immediately turning the hose on. We're gonna spray off all this right here to kind of cool it off. We're gonna go over here, shut this off. I just wanna cool off the end of the exhaust. Now we're gonna take the hose. Since my Glasspack is over the axle, we've got to push the hose over the axle. So once you get in there a decent amount, turn the hose on for just a second. That's good. You'll hear the Glasspack start to hiss and stuff where that fast change in temperature. Then we're gonna let that sit in there for about a minute. So after a minute, so you can see all that water came out of there nice and hot, and that change in temperature where it went hot, cold, hot is going to break that fiberglass out of the Glasspack and make your exhaust a lot louder. Then, so once you have all that water sprayed out of there, now we're going to take it down the road and run it really hard. All right, after running it hard, once we're back, we're going to repeat the steps. Turn the hose on, spray down this part. You'll hear all that steam where it's so hot. That's what I want to cool down so it doesn't damage my hose. You can see it's already kind of turning it black a little bit, but that's fine. Now we're gonna shove that up in there. All right, turn it on. You wanna be very fast when you're doing this. You don't want to give that Glasspack any time to cool down. You see all that steam? Let that sit for a minute. All right, now that it's been a minute, we're gonna listen and see how this sounds. And basically you're just gonna wanna repeat the steps until you get the sound that you like from your Glasspack. And I've done this about 6 or 7 times on my Mazda, and I'm just gonna keep doing it until it gets louder. It's not the fastest method or the most efficient. The best way is to do it off the car and to soak the Glasspack in gas or diesel and then light it on fire and let all that fiberglass burn up in there. But the thing is, I didn't want mine all the way open. I wanted mine that good middle ground where it's like not too loud and not too quiet. So this is what I'm doing to get that perfect sound that I like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys got any questions down in the comments, leave them down there. Like this video if it helped. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.